Why didn't you? We're all here straight, and then John's there at the back, then
Your friend.
trying to make yourself attractive, John.
Yep.
Trying to get them bitches.
Okay, and welcome to another Reaper's flight. Notification, the only notification today is that you've probably noticed in the last couple of flights that our comms are really shit, and so we need to work on them. So we have created a brevity list. Let me link to it now so you can copy it. Stand by. That's page 1. Feel free to copy that. This is the official stage 1 Reaper's brevity code, and that's page 2. So I've given it to all of my guys, or I'll give it to them today. They will take this and they will live by it. They will take it to work, they will take it to the toilet with them, they will take it to bed, and they will do everything.
I am not taking it to school.
Yes, you are. And you will learn it off by heart until you live and breathe this brevity. To enforce the brevity, I'm giving express permission for our 2,000 or so viewers to bollock anyone on any of the videos that does not use the brevity. So if you hear a Gazila saying something or Joker saying something incorrect to our brevity list, you have kept full permission to go nuts at them, and hopefully
that would be healthy to show, because he mixes up all the missiles.
That's exactly right, and hopefully we'll have it learnt in a few days. Stand by for briefing. Okay, as you saw yesterday, we attacked the Wrath guys who have been fighting us for the last few days. We attacked them. As it turned out, they were not aboard the ship we blew out. They were out on manoeuvres. Boo! So we didn't kill them. And the planes that we killed, it turned out to be just a bunch of Wrath goons. And no one cares about goons or henchmen. So they're on their way back. Wrath are on their way back now to their boat and to the aircraft carrier. Their plan is to land on the aircraft carrier and take it out and come and attack us. So we're going to be clever little so-and-sos. We are scrambling in our fighter planes now, in our World War II planes, and we are going to try to steal the aircraft carrier, drive it out of the docks, and take it home. So the Wrath guys have got nowhere to land, therefore scuppering their ideas. The only way we can figure to get onto the carrier is to fly these birds in under the radar, and then either try to land on the aircraft carrier or parachute on it. We'll see what happens when we get there. We're not expecting any hostile planes because we know Wrath are out on manoeuvres. Roll call.
Joker, lead Spitfire.
Malloy, Bf-109 left side.
Schnell, right, 109.
Red kite left, P-51.
Risky right, P-51.
Cap rear, P-51.
I am throttling up now.
Off we go. Let me know when you're hitting full power, yo.
Rotate.
Blaze it.
Coming out left.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to meet Ray.
Oh,
Yeah, Raven just said mute her. How rude.
I've had no choice. Speed is good. Hello, have you been drinking today?
No.
Problem.
Problem is I'm not sweating. That's the problem.
Ah, there we go.
Not yet. I'm starting a bit.
Okay. We're missing some. Oh no, a second.
My Tyler's gone. As he couldn't start up the Spitfire.
Auto start? Question mark?
There isn't one.
Ah. But that was a silly thing to buy, then, wasn't it?
It's so easy to start. You pull some knobs, push some buttons, and you've started.
Oh, that was good. I don't think you realise how amazing that looks. Remember, everyone's listening to your brevity now, so we've got to be shit hot. Red's really got it sorted. He's got his trim beautiful. Red's the new World War
Red's the
II
only
guy.
like,
Yeah, Roger.
Red and whoever's on Red's wing was
Me, I'm getting better now.
You are getting a lot better, John.
It's taken a while. It's all about the trim on these.
Oh, I know. See, you have aileron trim. My aileron trim is my rudder. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Okay, yeah.
You don't, Raven.
My rudder trim is my aileron trim.
Hold on.
Why don't you switch to my right one, John?
Not to mention, I think
Chanel, drop your tank, then you can fly with tanks.
Cap's moving into right. Watch out, Chanel. Coming in.
Tanks away.
Schnell is drunk.
Chanel, go echelon left. There we go.
Oh, that was a very smooth transition, John.
Hold on. Hold on, guys. Tally on the port. Joker, would you like to bank us left slowly towards the
Copy.
just the ship?
Now.
We'll basically go straight in to the boat for a pass, a visual pass. But are you in trail or are you on his right wing? You look like you're in trail.
She is very tight on my right wing.
So I don't know what's going on at the moment, to be honest. There's someone behind me. What are you doing?
I'm on his left wing.
Who's right wing?
That'd be me.
Okay.
I'm gonna say this. How have you not hit me yet? You've come so close.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not that close. I can get
I mean,
close.
from like my perspective, like it looks like you're really close.
About 9 feet.
This is a
I
lot
wish I
closer
was
than
in
I'm used
VR.
to. Cough, cough, cat.
Who's got a laminar flow wing? Not good. Huh?
Who's faster?
Actually, I don't know.
I think we're definitely going to be pretty similar. I mean, the speed gauge goes up to 480 miles an hour.
Ours goes up to 700.
Ooh.
I mean,
It
you're
needs
never
a
going to
red
get
line.
to that unless you're diving from 14,000 feet.
I wouldn't want to go 700 without a swept wing either.
No, you couldn't.
No. I would say this thing.
Oh, guys, mission right down. I see the ship. I see the ship. Hello, Mr. Ship.
Them watchtowers. Did you tell them?
No, they will shoot us.
Good.
So go fast. Let's speed up.
burners off
Danger,
the
danger,
ship.
danger.
Burners
off the ship. Shit. What's going on, guys? Let me know what's
Tally
going on.
multiple aircraft on the carrier.
On the ship. They're on the ship. Are they engaging? What's going on? Stand by.
One's lining up.
Is anything airborne? Oh, get it guns! We get it gun! Engage, men, engage airborne threats. Engage airborne threats. Call him out. Where is it?
Volley burners.
Whereabouts? Get us information.
north burners toward the sun.
North of the carrier.
Looking.
I can't catch that.
I think it's a second aircraft airborne.
Second aircraft climbing
It's
burners.
gone straight up. It's gone straight up. Cap's engaging.
Third aircraft just took
Searching
off.
for a second aircraft.
Get on! I'm going for the third one that just took off. Cap's all over this bitch. Come on, come on.
Tally SU.
Come on. Yeah. Do it.
I'm in second pass.
I'm not going to be able to catch him with.
Good show! We've damaged one of the flankers. Well done.
He punched.
Good show. Let's see if on the others. Cap's got number 6 above the port. High. I'm diving down. Trying to get some speed. Still after me.
Tally.
I think I might have lost him. Not sure.
No, he's still on your tail.
Right. Pulling up, trying to get a tally.
And he's pulling up with you.
Fuck, I put it in spin. Okay, I'm just going to keep him busy.
Tally
The
SU.
voice merged.
Order up.
Hey,
Do your best.
yep, you've gone opposite. And he's turning round.
Is he still after me, Risky? Tally on him. He's going
Down
his feet
there.
wet. His feet wet. Burner, Tally.
I see him, I'm above him.
Yeah, Tally both of you. Cap's coming in too. Stand by. Okay,
You want us to
mother.
attack or not?
Yep. Let's go. Let's do it. That's my fucking heart. He's chasing one of our guys. Beware. Danger. 2 guys who are close together. He's trying to fight you.
Oh my Jesus, that was close.
Let's do him, guys. Cap's firing. Roger. You can't outrun a P-51, so. Okay. That one's gone.
I'm
Look at the
climbing
next
with
one.
it. I'm still climbing with it.
Check 6 guys, there's one chasing you.
Eyes on the swivel.
Ah,
Still joking, still.
I
I see one.
Where is he? Risky, get me info.
I'm burning the engine.
Directly underneath.
Tally.
Is he on the port? Feet wet, feet dry?
Directly over the port.
Oh, there's 2 now. I tally 2.
You may see smoke, that's me. Don't shoot the smoke.
Tally,
One
he's shooting a
clear.
cap, he's shooting a cap. I just stalled it on purpose to get him off my app. Feet dry, feet dry. Come on, you. Oh, cap's down, cap's down. It's a terrible thing to happen. From the spit. Good show, spit. Well done. Okay, good show. Another over the port, over the port.
Trying to restart.
Low emerge.
Well done. Let's have him, let's have him. We can do this. Yes, Risky, yes. Yes! All that Mustang training. Took herself down a flanker. He's only got 1 engine. You can probably outrun the bastard.
Yeah,
Ah, he's okay now, he's okay. Well done. Stand by. Okay, your 6 is clear, your 6 is clear.
Roger.
Yes! Where are you running, mate? Where are you running to? Watch for the overspeed, you can watch for the overspeed. And pepper this mother. Well done, well done. Okay, stand by, look for a new bogey. 5's left. And merge. Let's do this.
Keep dropping.
Belly on burner.
Out turning him easily. Get a lead and come on, fire! Yeah, good shot. You got some wing off him. You took some wing off him. Beautiful. Stand by. That's fine. He's
Roy's going in for guns.
Roger. Let's have him. Let's have him. Do it, Riskinator. Do it. Beautiful. Good hits. Good hits. Let's get more of that. He can't get an angle on you.
Yeah, that SU's left wing and Christ.
Got to get that nose down, Risky. Get that nose down.
Yeah.
Oh no, shit. That's the world of pain. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. That's it. One's on your 6. One's on your 6, pulling you down.
Directly at me again.
Here we go.
I've lost
Good show, good
my
show,
left
good
wing.
show.
I'm fine.
Roger, carry on. Risky needs help.
I'm helping you with lots of wing
He's
blocks.
going to get on my tail.
The Joker's on him. The damaged Joker's on him. Come on, Joker.
Risky head south.
Just. He's now fully on your 6. He's fully on your 6.
Do it.
Tight as you can, Risky. Beautiful. Yeah, you're out turning him.
Keep him slow.
Good. He can't catch up. Well done. Go on, Joker, get in there. Yeah, the Joker's got him.
One engine fire.
I got one on my 6.
Okay, I'm in a turn.
I'm feet wet.
Okay, get him, guys, get him.
Thank you, Risky.
Following Red. Red's all over him like a cheap suit. Good hit, Red. That's it. Keep him at high alpha. Beautiful work. Okay, he's going long. He's going after another one of you guys.
For me, yeah, it's not for me.
Odd job. Okay, Red's got a good, nice advantage here. Okay, spray all over him. Further ahead, more lead. Yes, good hits, Red. Boom, good hits. Beautiful. He's got nowhere to go. Chasing after our low guy again. Okay, when he pulls up again, Red, it's your chance.
No tally.
Look right and low. There we go. Right, low. Pulling up. And right, medium. The Riskinator's on him. Yeah, Risky's got another. Backed another. Beautiful, well done. Right, let's go and get on that goddamn carrier, guys. Okay, we've defeated the flankers. We're now heading in to try and land. Joker's going in first with his damaged Spitfire. Red's helping him, guiding him in. All is well. Apart from the massive fire. Okay, Joker on final. Let's do this. Just put it down. Come on, Joe, don't fuck this up for people. We in here.
Come on.
Stop it! Stop it!
Bump it down.
Stop it! Stop it! Fail!
That was good. That was.
Okay, Joker failed and is now drowned himself, so Schnell's going in the 109.
You will not land on that cross runway, Schnell.
He's got bigger flaps as well.
And that doesn't matter. He will not land
Yeah,
on
you should go on the ramp, up the ramp. Here he comes. Come on, Schnell. Come on, Schnell. Be a hero, be an American hero. Come on, come on, come on. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Kill the prop, kill the prop, kill the prop. Oh, good God. Get out, man, get out. Okay, okay, Schnell, get to the bridge now, and let's get in and take control of the ship. La 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 la. Walking down here. Ba 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 ba. Where's the fucking door?
Going.
Where's the fucking door? Where's the fucking door? And we're inside. And walking up the steps. Walking up the steps. And Schnell's now in the control tower. Puts his hand up on the wheel and... Oh my God, a gun stuck in his back. It's for Sealy B. He was hiding in the bridge. And he's now captured Schnell. No! And here are the survivors, RTB.
Sorry, 450. Flaps out. Throttle is about 15%. Throttle is now idle.
Hello, check here. Altitude, altitude, Malloy. Red take lead, red take lead. Good, good. That's it, now just run nice and long, run nice and long. Ooh, that was nasty by someone. Careful, Malloy. Don't do it. Don't you do it, Malloy. You're going to have to pay for that engine out of your wages. Well done, the rest of you. You got the birds down. Okay. Unfortunately, Schnell was captured, as you know, and we didn't catch the ship. And we got some significant losses, so we're going to get back tomorrow and do the best we can to... get Schnell back and get our reputation back. Stand by.